Today, I'm unboxing one of the most unique watches in my collection. Introducing the Naga Opera 39 Lapis Lazuli, an automatic watch with exceptional craftsmanship, quality, and elegance. The stone, Lapis Lazuli, which is what the dial is made of, was once used by ancient civilizations, royalty, and even artists because every single piece of it is completely unique.
These officially imported watches offer peace of mind for the watch community, which is a strong motivation to acquire one for yourself.
The founder has even sent a personalized letter. Let's see what it is. The bracelet of this watch is something that I want to talk about. It has a serious serpent inspiration to it. The case is a sweet 39mm, which would look elegant and timeless for wrist sizes from 6 to 7 inches. This watch is powered by the famous Miyota 9039 automatic movement, Japanese precision, and Italian design, which is an amazing combination. And if you want to see a particular watch like this, drop a comment and follow me for more such watch content.